how to withdraw money from Dasher Direct virtual card. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Dasher Direct virtual card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Dasher Direct app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, log in or sign up to your account and then you'll be redirected to this page. So what you need to do is tap on more in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on move money. Accordingly, tap on move money to someone. There you can add bank account or other virtual banking stuff where you want to receive that cash. Then tap on add recipient bar. Enter bank details, then tap on send money. So that's how you can withdraw money from Dasher Direct virtual card. That's all for this video.